Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Janelle with Nail Gun Nelly, and I am here today to show you our process in actually hooking up our trailer to take it on the road. So there's a few different gadgets that we use that have helped make our towing a lot smoother, and so I wanted to show you what those are. So first things first, you need a hitch, obviously, and I'm gonna just put it in first. So you can kind of see, like, this is basically, depending on your trailer's ball size, they have a bunch of different sizes. This is a, 2-inch ball. So you can see when you have your hitch in your truck, if I am towing it and it's just like this, you can see there's a little give, and that's normal. So this really cool product that we found at eTrailer. This is an anti-rattle hitch accessory. So I'm gonna show you how to use it and the difference between this, and I'll show you the after. So all you're gonna do is remove your hitch and install this. There's not much to it. You basically need an Allen wrench, and then these 2 screws are what loosens these back clamps. So I've already loosened them. And then you can see in here, there's a gold little bar that can come down. And so by twisting it this way, we're bringing it up. Twisting it this way, we're bringing it down. So when you go to install it, this is all probably just the first time you'll need to move this. You want to open it up so that it's all the way here. And you can see you slide in from the bottom and it rests right here. So you go on your hitch and you basically slide it up. Once you get it all the way where it's as far up as it can go, you can take your Allen wrench and tighten these, and then tighten this one. You can see it just closes that gap so that it holds it on snug. Okay, so that's not going anywhere, and you can see it is on there. So at this point, you want to take your hitch and insert it the same exact way. So I'm gonna just lock it in with my little pin. Okay. So now that this is in, you can see there's still some wiggle, and to get rid of that is you tighten this, and you can see it's bringing this gold piece down to clamp on top of the actual hitch. So keep twisting until you can't twist anymore. Oops, sorry. And so now it's there, and now let's check. This thing, I'm moving the truck. You cannot rattle that. So that's all there is to the installation. It can easily be removed, and it's a pretty affordable little attachment that makes a really big difference in your actual towing. Okay, so the next tool that we have is a sway control. And so you may have seen that this hitch looks a little different than what a normal hitch looks like. It does have this little extension with a little tiny ball that allows you to hook one of these up to your trailer. And this is nothing new. This is something even this old vintage trailer has the attachment already for. This is the other end. And so basically, once we get this trailer backed up on the ball, I will show you how we install this. But really quickly, you can see there is an on and off lever. So if you go turning it this way, tightens it?
Yep.
We don't want to tighten it. I want to show you. Off. So if you loosen it, you can see, depending on how much room you need, you can adjust it to your trailer and your specific hitch. And then once you have it where it needs to go, you tighten it. And then we'll show you how much you tighten and all of that once I get it hooked up. So let's back this truck up, hook it onto the ball, and then we'll put this on.
So let's go ahead and bring this baby down.
So now after you lower your trailer onto your ball, you take the little lever and put it down. Make sure you have your pin and you are locked onto your ball. Okay, so now that we have the trailer on the truck, the first step with this, so I have it loose right now, and so I'm gonna install the little ball first. So you basically put it on, and it comes with 2 pins. They look like this, and you'll see like a little opening there, and there's an opening right here. So you basically just get it all the way through, like that. So this is now on the small ball. So then, depending on your setup, it may be this far, it may be this far. Ours is right here. So you put that one on there. Take your other pin and do the same thing. You can see there's one slit there and one there. So now we have it installed. So what we have done is basically 2-finger tight. So you want this to be tight, but you don't want it to be completely stiff where it's not gonna let you turn your trailer. So you take this, only using 2 fingers, and spin it. And once you go to where you cannot spin it with 2 fingers anymore, like me, I'm gonna stop there. So by using this 2-finger method, it's tight enough so that when you're driving on the freeway, it's not gonna let your trailer do swaying, but it's loose enough so that when you're in parks or maneuvering your trailer around, it still allows you to make turns. So that is our setup for hooking up our trailer and a couple gadgets that help make our towing a much smoother process. And if you want links to any of these products, I'm gonna be sure to put them in the description below. And like always, if you learn something new and enjoy this content, I'd love if you subscribe and give us a like. Until next time.